Hey guys, this is Patrick Powers. This video is for App Development 2, Week 2. This week was all about Milestone 1 and making sure that we were getting through the necessary tasks to complete the main portion of the application. As of right now, I can say that we are on pace. Everything is going well within the application. Did run into one or two hiccups within this week, but luckily was able to overcome one of them and make a very user-friendly and understandable workaround for another temporarily. What do we do? Go ahead and go into the application, phone decal, presented with the landing page. This is one of the main focuses, is creating this as well as creating the linking sections to all the other pages. If you click on phone decal how to, you'll be presented with this page. It does have navigation at the top for you to be able to click back. Same thing with Phone Decal Pro Sneak Peek. It does have the images being loaded dynamically from the web. Again, navigation at the top. And then subscribe for updates. It does actually allow you to open up your Gmail client within the device, and then it will actually pre-populate that email. What went well? One of the great things about this week was I was able to use something called Android Universal Image Loader, which is a open source library to be able to actually load these images. It takes a little bit of understanding to figure it out, but I was able to actually dynamically load these images from the web, which will help when we actually implement new images, new features, in terms of the most up-to-date decals that someone might want to know about. You can't really do anything from this page, but what you can do is you can basically give them that sneak peek, some enticing image to make them want to go buy the Pro version. And the challenge this week was really, again, what I said was I found a workaround. This phone decal, this YouTube video, it actually looks like potentially the video is right there where you can actually push play, but technically it is just an image that you can push on. It will redirect you to the actual video within the YouTube, rather than actually having it play within the app. So that is something I want to work on, but I wasn't able to get the Google API for YouTube videos working within the application. Something I absolutely want to work, because I think the less navigation away from the app is better. Also, the text from below, it's a step-by-step instruction. I do want to change the way that looks. Excuse me. I don't love it. I think maybe a more visual representation, even beyond just the video, but maybe step-by-step instructions from a visual standpoint rather than a list standpoint might be good. The difficulty is that depending on what type of Android device you're using and what version you're using, there's different ways to get to widgets. So you do have to address all those different ways depending on what type of device the user is using. As of right now, nothing has actually changed within the scope of the project. This week was all about the application side of things. Next week will actually be about the implementation of the widget, which is the main portion of the app. That's the idea, is to actually create these decals on your home screen as widgets. So far, so good. Nothing that I have to necessarily worry about changing at this point. But moving forward, everything is in place to continue going down the road of the second milestone and getting the rest of the project completed. And I think ultimately everything's working as it should, and we're right on pace. Thanks so much.